Hey everyone, Graham Stephan here. Let's talk about AI and its incredible potential. It's changing the game for making money online in ways we never imagined before. Imagine earning up to $11,000 a day from a side hustle. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the power of AI. It can automate tasks, analyze data, and even predict trends to maximize your earnings. Now, I'm not promising you'll be rolling in cash overnight. Success takes time and effort. But with the right strategies and a bit of hustle, you can unlock incredible income potential. It's all about leveraging the tools at your disposal. We're going to dive into the world of AI-powered side hustles. From automation to content creation, AI can do it all. You'll learn how to find profitable niches, create engaging content that resonates with your audience, and drive traffic to your offers using smart marketing techniques. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Efficiency is key in today's fast-paced digital world, and AI is the key to unlocking that efficiency. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. Those never work and often lead to disappointment. This is about building a sustainable online business that can stand the test of time. You'll need dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards can be life-changing, offering you financial freedom and flexibility. So are you ready to unlock the power of AI and start building your dream side hustle? Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's be real for a second. We all want to find that magic formula to make money online. The internet is full of scams promising easy money. Everywhere you look, there are ads claiming to have the secret to instant wealth. Make thousands of dollars overnight with dropshipping. They say it's easy, but is it really? Become a millionaire with this one weird trick. These claims are everywhere, and they sound too good to be true. Sound familiar? Don't fall for it. These methods rarely work and often leave you more frustrated than before. The truth is, most online money-making methods are not sustainable. They promise quick results but fail to deliver long-term success. They're either outdated, too competitive, or require a ton of upfront investment. It's a tough landscape to navigate. Think about it, everyone's trying to crack the code to online riches. It's a crowded space and standing out is harder than ever. But here's the good news. AI is changing the game. It's revolutionizing how we approach online earning. It's leveling the playing field and creating new opportunities for anyone willing to learn. The potential is enormous. With AI, you can automate tasks, generate high-quality content, and reach a wider audience than ever before. The possibilities are endless. It's time to ditch the outdated methods and embrace the future of online earning. The future is bright for those who adapt. AI is here to stay, and those who adapt will thrive. Embrace the change and unlock new opportunities. So how do you find a profitable niche in the vast online world? That's where Grow.com comes in. This AI-powered tool is a game-changer for niche research. It analyzes market trends, competition, and search volume to identify lucrative opportunities. Here's how it works. First, sign up for Grow.com. It's free to get started. Next, enter your interests. Tell Grow.com what you're passionate about. Then, analyze the results. Grow.com will generate a list of potential niches based on your interests and market data. Finally, deep dive into the data. Look at the competition, search volume, and potential profitability of each niche. Grow.com takes the guesswork out of niche selection. It's like having a personal market research team at your fingertips. No more wasting time on niches that are too saturated or not profitable. Now that you have a profitable niche, it's time to build your online presence. And there's no better platform to start with than Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine, which means people are actively looking for ideas and inspiration. Here's how to create a Pinterest account that drives traffic. First, create a business account. It's free and gives you access to analytics. Next, optimize your profile. Use relevant keywords in your bio and board descriptions. Then create high-quality pins. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling copy. Finally, pin consistently. Aim to pin at least 5 to 10 times per day. Think of your Pinterest account as a storefront for your online business. Make it visually appealing, informative, and easy to navigate. The more high-quality pins you create, the more traffic you'll drive to your website or affiliate offers. Section 5, Content is King. AI-powered writing with SEO Writing AI. Content is king in the online world. But creating high-quality content takes time and effort. That's where SEO Writing AI comes in. This AI-powered tool helps you generate engaging and SEO-optimized content in minutes. Here's how it works. First, enter your keywords. Tell SEO Writing AI what you want to write about. Next, choose your content type. Blog posts, articles, social media posts, you name it. Then generate your content. SEO Writing AI will create unique and plagiarism-free content tailored to your keywords. SEO Writing AI is like having a team of professional writers at your disposal. It saves you time and ensures your content is optimized for search engines, increasing your chances of ranking higher and driving more traffic. Section 6. Media Mastery Publishing Your Way to Profits. Now that you have amazing content, it's time to get it out there. Medium.com is a fantastic platform for publishing your work and reaching a wider audience. It's free to use and has a massive user base. Here's how to make the most of Medium. First, create a compelling profile. Showcase your expertise and interests. Then, publish high-quality content. Share your knowledge and insights with the world. Finally, engage with the community. Comment on other people's posts and participate in discussions. Medium is a great way to build your online authority and drive traffic back to your website or affiliate offers. The more you publish and engage, the more visibility you'll gain. Section 7. Affiliate Advantage. Tapping into the 2 affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to monetize your online presence. By leveraging your existing audience, you can generate a steady stream of income without having to create your own products. It's simple. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on every sale you generate. This means you can focus on what you do best, creating content and engaging with your audience. The 2 affiliate program is a great option for beginners. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible, even if you're new to affiliate marketing. They offer a wide range of high-quality products with generous commissions. This means you have plenty of options to choose from, ensuring you can find products that resonate with your audience. Here's how it works. First, sign up for the program. It's free to join. Then, choose your products. The registration process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Select products that align with your niche and audience. This is crucial for maximizing your conversion rates and ensuring your promotions are effective. Finally, promote your links. Share your affiliate links on your website, social media, and through email marketing. The more channels you use, the greater your reach and potential earnings. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to promote products you believe in and that provide value to your audience. Authenticity and trust are essential. Don't just spam your links everywhere. This can damage your reputation and annoy your audience. Focus on building trust and providing helpful recommendations. By doing so, you'll create a loyal following that values your insights and is more likely to make purchases based on your suggestions. Section 8. Driving the traffic from Pinterest to profits. You've got your niche, your content, and your affiliate products. Now it's time to connect the dots and drive traffic from Pinterest to your offers. Here's how. First, create pins that promote your content. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling copy that encourages people to click through to your Medium articles. Then, include affiliate links in your articles. When relevant, recommend products from the 2 affiliate program and include your affiliate links. Finally, be consistent. Pin regularly and promote your content across your social media channels. The more traffic you drive to your content, the more opportunities you'll have to generate affiliate sales. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating valuable content, promoting it effectively, and the profits will follow.